Hello everyone, today we have TECLAST Artpad Pro on the desk, a large 12.7-inch Android 15 tablet designed as an accessible tool for note-taking, multimedia, and above all, it stands out from the crowd as an artistic tablet, while you have create impressive drawings on this user-friendly 7 to 5-inch screen with a stylus, of course, if you have the talent for it. Be sure to watch this TECLAST Artpad Pro video review. The box is classic TECLAST solid with a printed tablet look on the surface of the lid. As I remove the top cover, the first impression is a large tablet in protective film. We will look at it a little later. Now in the box we also find instructions, pin for the card tray, USB-C cable and a fast 30-watt charger. And what's important for this model, a stylus that immediately lets you know that the Artpad Pro is also designed for creative people. In our package, the stylus comes ready for work, charged with the USB-C port. Everything seems neatly arranged and ready for the out-of-the-box experience without additional purchase. Very nice. When you take it out of the foil and hold it in your hands, the Artpad Pro gives the impression of a serious, thin and neat device. The metal casing feels solid, the edges are slightly rounded so that your palm does not hurt even after long drawing. And the mass is distributed so the tablet does not sink on the one side. The back is clean with a decent logo and a modern decent camera bump without unnecessary decorations. Although the diagonal is large, the edges around the screen are thin enough to make everything look modern, and yet you have enough room for your finger without accidental touches. In practice, after a few hours of typical work, a little sketching, your hands remain fresh, which is the easiest to notice when you go back to a smaller tablet and suddenly it seems cramped. Now the top edge gets the power button. On the right are the volume controls, and there is also the so-called smart button, an additional button that you can take quick actions in the settings. Double click for a screenshot, long press to turn on the default mode or launch a drawing application. At the bottom is USB-C port. It will be used for charging. There are speaker grills on both sides as this quad stereo arrangement, and on the other side there is also a hybrid tray that holds either 2 nano SIM cards on 1 nano SIM and a micro SD card for storage expansion. So we are looking at the 12.7-inch IPS screen with a resolution of 2176 by 1600 pixels in an unusual but very practical 7:5 ratio. In precise, it means more vertical space for documents, timelines, interface or work interface in drawing applications, less scrolling, more content on the screen. The colors are pleasant, saturated, the contrast is typical for IPS screen. With 3.48 million pixels, every detail of your art comes to life in this crystal clear resolution, ensuring that your creations are represented with stunning clarity. Now refresh rate is 16 Hz, although TECLAST promises 19 Hz refresh rate in future updates. The good news is that there is no flickering, so long readings are a breeze. TECLAST offers special display modes in the software from classic to paper reading with muted tones to profiles that calm the colors when you want to draw without excessive saturation. At the heart of this tablet is a proven MediaTek Helio G99 energy-efficient chip, brings exactly what the device needs, stable multitasking without overheating and enough power for larger canvas in drawing applications, paired with the 8GB of RAM with the possibility of virtual expansion up to 20GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage expandable with the microSD card. The Artpad Pro behaves maturely, switch between YouTube browser, email and notes works smoothly. In games, the scenario is realistic, popular titles work comfortably on the medium settings, competitive shooters require lowering the details, and with the prolonged gaming the case remains lukewarm and does not choke performance. In synthetic tests, the result is around the middle of the class, approximately 400,000 points on Antutu, but more important, this impression is also transferred to the everyday work. Everything is predictable and without sudden jerks. I was very pleased with how fluid everything runs. The tablet comes with a pure Android 15 with a TECLAST layer that doesn't clutter the interface. Still, it adds a few useful tools, a floating side menu for quick launching application in a window, advanced screen sharing, the ability to duplicate some applications, and the unique smart button which really makes your routine easier if you set it up correctly. I would especially highlight the art profile. When you turn it on, the entire display takes on more moderate tones, the intensity of blue light is reduced and the contrast becomes softer. This is intentionally done so that the long-term work with the stylus is more pleasant on the eye without strain and fatigue, while the lines remains clear and precise. It's ideal for drawing, sketching or editing photos at night when you want to maintain concentration but not stain your eyes. The system supports all the usual Google services, the installation application is standard, and in the settings you can get the clear menus for pen styles, cursor size and palm behavior, while the L1 brings HD playback in most popular streaming services, so this is a completely solid multimedia device for the couch. The stylus is lightweight, well balanced, and charges via USB-C, so you don't have to rely on exotic adapters. It magnetically attached to the side of the tablet and holds firmly enough for everyday carrying between spaces. It recognizes pressure, supports tilt and palm reaction, and does a good job of not feeling like you have to constantly watch your fingers. It works great for taking notes in school or at work. On the back is a 30-megapixel camera with LED flash, enough for scanning documents, taking notes on the board or taking quick photos on a tour. In good light conditions, sharpness is decent and the colors are calm. Indoors, at the night, the quality logically drops with some noise and the softer edges. The front 8-megapixel camera is positioned so that it captures the frame well in landscape orientation, which is convenient for video calls and online classes. On the wireless side, there is a dual-band Wi-Fi 5 and the latest generation Bluetooth for a stable connection. If you need mobile internet, the tray fits a SIM card and the system connects to the 4G network. So the tablet is really ready for traveling, field trips or classes outside the home. The navigation uses multiple satellite systems, GPS, Galileo and others, so positioning is fast and accurate, convenient when the tablet takes on the role of a large navigation screen in the car. In practice, the 10,000 mAh battery means a full day of work without a charger. A combination of notes, YouTube, a few hours of reading and the title sketching lasts until everything without any problems. and with a more economical scenario it can easily catch a second day. The 30-watt fast charger restores the tablet power noticeably faster than classic 10 or 50-watt adapters. A short half-hour recharge is enough for a good part of the afternoon. The system is ready quick after waiting up, and updates come with the OTA system as on other Android devices. Support for Wireline L1 and the neat operation of the stylus give a clean orientation. This is device for learning, work and creativity with a strong advantage of the large screen. If you are looking for a large, neat and affordable tablet for taking notes, online classes, editing documents and entering in the world of digital drawing, the TECLAST Artpad Pro hits the sweet spot. It offers a large and practical 7:5 aspect ratio screen, quad speakers, a built-in stylus and all-day battery life. If you prioritize top-notch color calibration, high refresh rates or premium cameras, there are more expensive alternatives, but in this price range, the Artpad Pro is a very well-balanced package. The price is more than affordable and the sales links is below this video. With the discount code you can get it even cheaper today, so hurry up. If this review was helpful to you, hit the like, drop a comment and see you soon in the next review. Until then, bye.